Hello and welcome to ArcGIS tutorial. So with me MD Hasibur Rahman. Today we are going to learn suitability analysis. For that I am going to add data, Polygons all point. Okay, so the layer is here and we are going to open attribute table. So for that, right click on the Polygons all point and open attribute, and I am going to select by attributes the data I want. So I am going to select today the hospital or clinic data. So that's it. If we are going to add another field, so simply select or and add the data that you want. So okay, apply and okay. So right click and click the features to know the data is selected already. So the selected data need to be export here. So for that we're going to the data and export data here and rename it to output Polygons. So Polygons, okay, and save the data. Okay, so we have to make the data as output layer here. So then we're going to select from geoprocessing we can do some analysis, and the arc toolbox that is shown here, the analysis tool, we can do extract, overlay, proximity, statistics, and extract tools include clip, select, split, and overlay tools identity, union, and proximity tools offers buffer, create Thiessen Polygon, multiple ring buffer. So today we are going to learn these things step by step. So for the buffer we're going to geoprocessing and we have to input our features, and from the show help option we can know what is buffer. So buffer creates polygons around input features to specified distance. So input features is like this point and output feature dissolve type is like that. So dissolve type can be none and all, and this all means the data we include here, the buffer will show the all areas, that is kind of union of all data, and none is the buffer within the points singly. So now I'm going to input features output Polygons, and then our output features class can be renamed. So I'm going to rename it buffer dissolve. Okay, save it, and the linear unit should be in meter unit. I'm going to select the dissolve type all here. So okay, so now my buffer is getting ready and it will be shown in the layers. So we got the buffer dissolved here. So deselect the other options here to see the buffer. Okay, so this is our buffer. So we have selected the buffer dissolved and the linear unit is 100 meters. So this is our output here. So we can also do some things like create Thiessen polygons. So we have to open our input features here, and we can rename our output feature class, and we have to select our output fields all, and now I'm going to rename it Thiessen Poly, Thiessen buffer. Okay, save it and okay, and our operations is going on. So that's the Thiessen buffer of this polygon. Okay, then we can select multiple ring buffer. Input feature will be output polygons, and for multiple ring buffer we have to select distance, select distance like 100, 200 or 300. So I'm going to add the distance here, $200, and now 300. Okay, we can also rename our feature class, output feature class, and I'm going to rename it ring Thiessen. Save it and okay. So here we can see our multiple ring buffer. Okay, it's getting some time, taking some time. Okay, it will be shown in the layers also. So that's it, we got our ring Thiessen here. So as we selected 3 layers of distance 100, 200 and 300, so it is shown in the okay. So this is our multiple ring buffer, and now we can also do clip. So for that we have to input our input features, that is Thiessen buffer. Okay, then our clip features, how do you want to clip, will be buffer dissolve. So we can rename our output feature class, that is clip. Okay, so okay, and we're going to get our clip features. So to see the clip features, okay, that is the clip features here. We can also do identity analysis. So for that we have to select input feature, which is clip, and identity features will be buffer dissolve, and okay. So we got our clip identity here. So we have to deselect all the other spatial analysis to see our clip identity. Okay, so that is our identity feature that is shown here. Okay, so from the Arc toolbox we can also do some other analysis like union, intersect, erase, split, and many more. So thank you so much for